In this video you will learn how to change language and currency on Binance. So make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Binance application. Now tap on your profile icon on the upper left corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings, and here you can see language and currency options. Tap on language option, and here you can see all available languages. You can choose your country language if available, and back again, and here tap on currency and type your country currency. Let's suppose I am typing Canadian dollar. It is available. I'm typing INR. It is also available. So you can check your country language. So that's it. So I hope you will like this video. If this worked, do comment in the comment box. We will meet in the next video. Thanks. Goodbye.